description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got this. This is Otoki Kimchi Ramen. What's it say there? Korean style instant noodles, yeah! I like the exclamation point. Alright, so what I think is interesting about this one, I will show you in a moment. Got a noodle block. You can make this in the microwave too. I opted for stove preparation today. And I would say I've been defeated by a hill. I'll tell you about that in a minute. But look at this. There is a ton of dehydrated kimchi in here. I mean, that's quite a bit, and I find that admirable. And our fill line is where? Right there. Okay. Add our boiling water to the line. There's a lid. Well, here, let's start the timer first. Do I have a lid? Yeah, I do have a lid. There's our lid. So, it is, what day? February 12th, 2026. It's, nice out. And the last couple days, few days, I've been walking up this hill. I did it a bunch last week. I did a bunch this week. And it feels like on my left upper leg, like maybe the muscle is trying to pull away from the bone. Woo! It's like I'll go sit down, and then I go get up, and it feels like all of a sudden, kind of like if you had some paper that's perforated, and every time it perforates, it goes ting, 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 ting. It's like a couple little ting, ting, but it's like sharp, really sharp pain. So I only went out and walked 5 miles today. I feel like a loser. But tomorrow, screw it. I am going to do what I've been kind of, I guess you could call it, training for with hills. I'm going to try to do the Death Hill, the Mega Hill, 284th in Bothell. That is a long frickin' hill. And what sucks about it is once I get to the absolute top of it, if I keep going, I don't know, she says I can go up the hill, go down the other side, go up that way a little bit, and then hit where I need to be to go and cut through downtown Bothell. But that route to get to going through downtown Bothell has a lot of no sidewalky kind of stuff. Like almost walking on a freeway. I don't like that. What I could do is just cut past that Safeway. Oh, and then there's the other part of it, the bathroom aspect. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know. We'll see. That's kind of like what I'd like to do. I don't know, I like challenging myself to these kind of things. And usually it goes pretty well. I usually don't end up like with what's going on with my leg. I don't know if it's a great idea, but something to do. Something to do. A thing that can be done. Let's make sure this is all separate. Wow. Yeah, it's working. It's doing its thing. I'll leave you alone. Sorry to intimidate or bother you. But it's almost done. I'm starving. Usually when I do this, all I've had is a handful of vitamins and an energy drink. So when I'm doing my review, that's all I've really had, unless it's after lunch. Today I did a shorter walk. I'm gonna go back out, I think, and talk to my brother. But yeah, it's a shorter walk. So what is that? Something. Yeah. Oh, they're pulling out of Minnesota. I guess all the troops are moving out of Minnesota. Mission accomplished. They annoyed people in Minnesota to no end, and now they're done doing that. And they're going to go annoy people somewhere else. That's what they had a big presser today about it. It's like, oh no. Leave the nice people alone. But they're coming. They're going to take my baby. They're going to take my baby. They're going to take my cheese water. Don't take my cheese water. No. Nobody wants your cheese water, ma'am. Who would want cheese water? I don't know. Not me. See, I have a feeling already with the feeling of this noodle. A double feeling. I feel that this noodle will be spongy. It sucks because I know it wouldn't have that aspect if it were microwaved. I've never been like, until recently, like microwave noodles. That sounds like a great idea. But honestly, it is. Wow, look at all that kimchi in there. This is good. There's been a lot of hemming and hawing about the new packaged Otoki products. I don't know if they're really different. Some people swear, oh, now they're totally different. It's like, they just changed the packaging and they made it more for the US market. You really think they changed the recipe? I should contact the company for comment. Because I think a lot of it's psychological. I think that, what I just said, is going to really irritate a certain aspect of the universe. But whatever, you know. It looks different. It's got to be different on the inside. No, it really doesn't got to be different on the inside, sir, ma'am, person, people. Rebranding oftentimes is simply that. They're not changing anything. Usually, I think, for the most part, things get changed when certain ingredients are now scarce or not cost effective. That's why a lot of things go off the market too. It's not because of popularity. It was so popular, why did it go away? Because they couldn't get the thing to be able to make the product that was popular. And they may wish they could still, but they can't. So, just give me a little ground beef. I got an ounce of ground beef again. 77 cents, yo. How can you beat that? You can't. Do you have a stick? Try. Try to beat 77 cents worth of ground beef with a stick. It's gonna be difficult. You're not gonna, you know. But I did make an egg. I went the extra mile because I had the extra time. But yeah, if you like kimchi and you want a nice kimchi noodle, this is gonna treat you right. I like this. Soon I'll be doing my favorite Otoki product, which is their jin jambon. And that stuff is so good. Man. Jin Jambong is like my absolute favorite seafood noodle around. Or at least as far as Korean stuff goes. And it figures highly in my favorites of things. Nice smoky stew seafood. It's just wonderful. Everybody likes what do you call it? Or at least I often see that stuff called noguri, and that's cool. It's okay, but that smokiness. This is a lot of it, but I'm putting that right there. God, I gotta get. I'm so low on everything, folks. You know, if you really want to help out with the show, what do you call it? Patreon. Cheap. $1 a month would make me so happy. Can you do that? Please? Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. I do it every day, and try to do it in a way that pleases my audience. If it doesn't, well, tough shit. So yeah, I hope you like it. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every freaking day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.